Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by forcing Explorer to restart because many glitches clear immediately. Open Task Manager, select Windows Explorer, click End Task, then File right arrow Run New Task right arrow Type Explorer. EXE and press Enter. Once done, make sure you close any file-heavy apps and glance at available disk space. Low space can stall Explorer. If Explorer restarts normally, observe behavior for a few minutes and proceed to deeper repairs only if Windows still fail to open. Next, you repair core system components because Explorer depends on system files and the OS image. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano. This replaces corrupted files. If issues persist, run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair the Windows image. Then open PowerShell as admin to re-register shell components and clear the icon cache so broken visuals don't block Windows. Make sure to reboot after each major command to apply changes and verify Explorer behavior. To finish, you isolate whether the problem is profile-specific or system-wide. Create a new local user account and sign in. If Explorer works, migrate data and remove the corrupted profile. Reset File Explorer settings via folder options and clear quick access entries to remove bad shortcuts. If problems persist, perform a system restore to a point before the issue or boot into safe mode to disable third-party conflicts. Troubleshooting tip: if safe mode fixes it, temporarily disable startup apps and your antivirus to identify the culprit.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.